Alright, how's it going on YouTube? Thanks for clicking on the video. So, today we're going to make a short video of the Z400. We're putting some love into this thing. This is Christie's Z400. Got cousin Yimmy's over here waiting on new tires. There's Christy. So, Christy's got the TRX450R that we showed in the other video, but this is her other four-wheeler for now. So, kind of gets neglected sometimes. So, we got in some +3 A-arms for it. We got new exhaust on the way. We got a new seat cover on the way. But right now we got the wheel spacers on the front. So, she's got the steering damper too, but with those wheel spacers it kind of adds a little bit more leverage to your steering and everything. So we went ahead and bought the A-arms. We're going to swap them out, take those wheel spacers off, just better handling and everything. So that's what we're going to do right now. Probably just time lapse this. I'm sure you guys know how to put A-arms on, but that's the plan for right now. So stay tuned, check it out, and we'll go over it a little bit more when we're done on how it comes out. So stay tuned, watch. Alright, so we decided not to do a time lapse. We've been working on this already. Christy's making video too. So kind of going back and forth here with the video, but so far here are the new Alba A-arms on. Nice ball joints and everything. We're working on getting the brake lines off now. So just for comparison, that's factory. That says the Alba. They look way better. Christy's happy, I think.
Very happy.
Now Candace is here, so Candace is going to help us. And now we're finally going to do a time lapse and try to get this other side done, because we've been working on this thing for
10 minutes?
Yeah, 10 minutes we'll say. More like 6 hours. So.
No.
Alright, so I'll get the camera set up and we'll go do a time lapse on this other side and try to knock this out. But keep watching. All right, guys. So did that time lapse. We just got done putting the tires and stuff on. Christy's picking up some tools, but there's the front end. A-arms are all on. We did like just a little quick eyeball alignment because the bearings are all shot. So no point in really doing a good alignment until we get the front bearings replaced. But we're gonna set it down. Christy's actually gonna take it for a test ride and see how it feels. See if she can tell the difference. There are the old wheel spacers. But other than that, we bled the brakes, everything. It looks good. Here, I'll pass you off to Christy here, and I'll set this thing down. Or Christy, you want to pull the stand out?
Yeah.
Move that. Roll the cart with you. That's good. Ready?
Yep.
Forgot about that jack stand. So, I see already, like, man, the tires lean quite a bit. Don't they? Like this one especially, look at that.
Is it like this?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wonder if I can get any more out of that. But anyways, it's on. We got some adjustments and stuff to make, but ride it, work out the bugs. But other than that, what do you think?
I like it. I like the way it sits. Sure, I'm gonna love the way it rides.
Hopefully it's all makes a better difference on the handling.
I think so.
So anyways, that's it for this. Thanks for watching. Leave us a comment, let me know what you think. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and stay tuned for more. Right?
Yep.
All right. Thanks, guys. Bye.